This is the Module 7 summary of the Foundations of Programming with Python video series. In this module, we explored working with text files and binary files. We have seen multiple ways how to access the files. We continued creating functions to organize our code. We also have always been creating the doc strings. We looked at using structured error handling to make our programs behave in a desired way in case of exceptions and errors. We also introduced creating a custom exceptions class. We continued using Spyder as our IDE, and at this point you should be able to answer the following questions from memory. If you can't, please go back into the materials and review them accordingly. What are the benefits of using structured error handling? What are the differences between a text file and a binary file? How is the exception class used? How do you derive a new class from the exception class? When might you create a class derived from the exception class? And what is the Markdown language? When you can answer all this from memory, it's time to complete the assignment and move to the next module.